Hi everyone, this is David from Benchmark. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a revolved 3D surface from two lines in MicroSurvey's MSCAD. You can see here I have an angled line drawn and I also have a vertical line drawn. Then if I go to the Draw 3D tab and I click on Revolved Surface, the first thing it's going to get me to do is choose the entity that I want to be revolving. So I'm just going to choose this angle that I have drawn right here. Then it's going to get me to choose an axis. I'm going to choose the vertical line I've drawn here. Then it wants me to choose an angle to begin the revolution surface. To do that, I just get to click 2 points to define an angle. And then the next thing it's going to ask me is how far around I want to revolve this angle. The default value is 360, so I'm just going to do all the way around. So all I have to do is press enter and it will do 360 degrees. And there you go. Now you can see I have a fully revolved surface that I've created in MSCAD. That's all for today's video. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us online at www.bench-mark.ca. If you like to see content like this, go ahead and comment on this video. Let us know what you'd like to see next. Give this video a thumbs up, maybe even subscribe to our channel. Stuff like that helps us out, it keeps us going, it makes sure we put out more of these videos for you. As always, thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.